When will you pay out a dividend?
So I think this question was asked last year, and we said that we will create a dividend share class. We do not anticipate paying a dividend on the main share, the A or B share class, but we created a second share class, A1 and A2 and B2. And what those share classes do is that they do pay a dividend. Now, there is something different how we've structured them than a regular income fund. We will not pay out the underlying dividends of the portfolio holdings, especially because now we're talking about two dual share classes. But the board will declare a dividend for the specific share classes once a year. The board and I will talk about it and try to target roughly a 2% payout. And so essentially, if an investor chooses to move from the regular share class to the dividend share class, they're going to get roughly that 2%, average 2% over time. And that means that their capital gains are going to be 2% less than someone who is in the regular share class. Well, other than that, their total returns are be identical. They own the exact same portfolio. I don't think it makes sense, there are tax reasons why people do it in income funds that don't apply to us. And given that they don't apply to us, it doesn't make sense to make the decisions of the payout, tie them directly to the underlying decisions of what we own. We have the liberty of segregating them, which is what we've done. And that hopefully does two things. A, frees up the investing process to focus on maximizing total returns, not payout. And then the other thing is provide our investors who do need immediate income with a relatively smoother payout that grows over time with the long-term trajectory of the net asset value of the shares.